All right, welcome back. Today I'll be installing the Madness Go Pedal in the Silverado. I'll put it in, walk you through the steps, and then give you some of my feedback on what I think of it. Stay tuned. All right, so there's several different pedal software or hardware pieces out there. Some plug in different places. This one happens to take the input from your pedal right here and adjust the signal up here on top. You basically take this plug out of the top and you plug in the new piece, and that's really about it. So I'll walk through some of the steps. Really simple installation, and so just sit back. So really, here's all you have. You have the brain behind it, and then the wiring harness. So basically all you do is you unplug the gas pedal, or in this case diesel pedal, and you plug this one in and plug that one back into where the pedal came from, and it just intercepts the signal and sends back a different one. It's really all there is to it. So right up here at the very top of the pedal, you can see right here, you just want to slide this up, and then it's basically unplug it. That's all there is to it. And then you take the new wiring harness, plug it in on top where this one came from, and then plug the old one into that. Then you take the other end, plug the brain into it, and then you just want to hide this. I'll probably use some sticky back tape and put it right behind that panel. So I went ahead and used the sticky back tape that's included to mount the brain to the back side of this panel. There's lots of room there to do that. And then I went ahead and zip tied the wiring right here to the HVAC duct, just to keep it nice and clean out of the way. And that's all that's needed for this part of the installation. The next thing you'll want to do is install the controller for this. I've gone ahead and mounted its holder here inside the center console, so that if I need to, I can change it fairly easily, but it's out of sight, out of mind. To wrap this up, we want to turn the truck on, so press and hold without starting the engine, and then hold the throttle down fully for 2 seconds. And the installation is complete. So this is the controller for the Go Pedal. You have 4 modes and off, and then each mode has 5 maps to it. So you have off, traffic, economy, sport, and race. Press it once to see which mode you're in. Press and hold for a second, and then it'll show you the different maps. So you can pick a different map, and I'll show you how they illustrate that in the instructions here in just a minute. And then if you want to change the mode again, just come back to it. You can go to back to whichever one you want to use. Here's the illustration of the different modes and the different maps, and you can see how in traffic, in the traffic mode, your throttle response is very delayed. Economy is really most similar to what comes stock, in my opinion. And then these other two, you can see just a small amount of movement on the throttle pedal produces uh, a higher, quicker response. So I'll drive it for a bit and then give you my impressions. So I installed this in the Silverado with the 3-liter Duramax. You can put it in any of the trucks. They're all going to have the same throttle pedal assembly, so you can do that with whichever engine you have. My thoughts on this are immediately, at least in the Duramax, it brings the engine to life. If you've driven this truck, you know that it has a lot of power. It pulls very well. It does a good job. Fuel mileage, but the pedal, the Go pedal, just brings it to life. You know there's power there, you know there's torque there, but now you actually get to experience it. So my opinion is, for the minimal amount of investment, you're going to get a maximum amount of return on this one. The smile factor is really high on this. So thanks for watching.